2024 Toyota 4Runner. With less than 3,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Designed with its driver and passengers in mind, with features like these: cross-traffic alert, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth. Stop by for a test drive and feel the difference.